What is up, my clan? Welcome back to the vlogs. We got a special one for you. This is part one of a two-part San Diego vacation. We surprised the kids. Tiff and I basically threw it on the table. I was like, what about taking the kids to San Diego for vacation? Because it's the last week of summer break for them. They start school next week, online of course, but still, they gotta get up in the morning, they gotta log on, they gotta be at, in school starting next week. So we did our research. We figured out what we can do, what we can't do, what the restrictions were here in San Diego, and decided to pull the trigger and come out here for vacation. So this video you're about to watch is the first half. We were at a resort, and so we did resort amenities on the bay side, and then we're now here at an Airbnb, and we're gonna be here on the ocean side for the rest of the week. So that'll be on Saturday's vlog. But first, let's do a quick shout out to our channel members. Channel members pay us a monthly fee to support what we do, and one of the perks of doing that is getting a monthly shout out. Like the Pit Crew, our newest channel member. Thank you so much, Pit Crew. I recognize you from Twitch, so thank you for the support here on YouTube as well. And John Conway renewed his membership for the 1 month anniversary. So thank you, John Conway, as well. So without further ado, enjoy this vlog from San Diego. Good morning, vlog. Welcome to Saturday. I'm live on Twitch right now doing a special Saturday stream, which I never do because it's usually family time, but the family's all busy.
So Sierra just left a little bit ago and went to go watch Garrett and her boyfriend's dance competition. Things are a little different, but she was allowed to go, just 2 people, so she's there with his mom, and we're currently watching it live, so I'll show you guys a little clip of it. He definitely has a talent there. It's very cool watching. Baby, you're not gonna like me. Do you wanna go bye-bye? Go bye-bye? Let's go bye-bye. Come on, go bye-bye. We gotta get your blanket. So what's in there? What's in there? Your blanket? Oh, now she knows. Where are we going? Nowhere fun. Look at her. There you go. Now you know, huh? You going bye-byes? And just like that, you're done. All out of breath, all that panting. That wasn't too bad. 2 little shots right there. Huh? Yeah. Just because I'm in the area, the vet that we take babies back at our very first house, the house that we built, so I have to drive by and look at it. So there it is. Got lots of plants. Oh, our tree went down. We had a big tree there. Yeah, baby, you remember that house? New Rich the past like minutes. You ready to go to California?
I'm ready to go to California. I'm not ready to drive.
Hey, the drive there is always way better than the drive back.
That's true.
Morning. Baby doesn't know. We're leaving you today. Get to go hang out with other doggy dogs. We're saying our goodbyes. We're gonna go drop her off here soon.
I'm taking this old lady to the pet hotel. We were talking this morning. We wish we could bring her, but she just doesn't do well. As you can see, we're in the middle of the parking lot, and she's barking at everything, everyone. This is our life. She barks at everything and everyone. Anytime we try to take her anywhere, go for walks. Camping's really the only thing we do with her because we can, it's outdoors, and then we can just put her in the trailer if, she gets crazy. So anyway, we wish we could take her, but unfortunately she's not vacation material. All right, on the road. We're in Gila Bend at the moment on the 8. We're getting ready to connect to the 8. I forget if we're on, are we on the 85 or the 8?
We're gonna get on to the 8.
We're getting on the 8, okay, yeah. Yeah, Gila Bend's this really small little town. Most of the buildings seem to be empty or run down. But yeah, still people here thriving. All right, we're here in Yuma and we're stopping at Five Guys Burger and Fries. In-N-Out was the original choice, but the drive-thru is always, ridiculously long.
Five Guys is better.
Five Guys is better in our opinion. We like Five Guys better. More options, more choices on the burgers. Did you say no?
Wait.
You can give me that back then. You can give me that. In-N-Out's right across the street. Go right ahead. It's right there. You can go stand in line.
I like their fries better.
You like their fries better?
Yeah. These burgers are better though.
Oh man, look at the toppings. You can't get a burger like that in and out.
Yeah, I like the
Wait till you see mine. Grilled mushrooms, jalapenos, onions. Yeah. How's it, Rice?
So good.
Burger connoisseur. What'd you say? Crispy bacon? Was
Crunchy bacon.
crunchy bacon? Good stuff. We made it to our first destination, Bahia. Is that what it's called? Bahia Resort here in Mission, and we're just doing our normal exploring. Every time we get to a new place we've never been to, we go exploring, and so nothing's different here. Look at this amazing little garden. Look at this little lagoon, completely surrounded by tropical trees. I absolutely love it. Anyway, yeah, we're just exploring, and so far this is pretty awesome. They have a private beach on the bay side, which we'll be hanging out tomorrow. You can rent kayaks, paddle boards, little like pedal boats. They've got a restaurant with outdoor seating open, and then a cafe that's just takeout only. So lots of food options here at the resort. We don't have to go anywhere, and the weather is amazing. It's 69 degrees right now. It's just a mild humidity. Obviously, we're right by the ocean. The ocean's just across the street there. The bay is right behind me. So excited, you guys. The kids are so excited. We're excited. It's just after, I don't know, man. After the last 6 months have been rough for so many reasons, on so many levels, and this is pretty dope. We got sea lions and seals. That's a seal. He's got spikes, and he's like missing an eye. He's blind or something. These are rescues. And we made it to our room. So I'll give you guys a quick tour like we always do. I forget the name of this. It's some kind of suite. I forget the name. It's like it got a special name. But anyway, this hotel's old. It's built in the 50s, right? 50s, 40s?
It's a studio.
Studio.
Studio with a kitchenette.
It's a studio with a kitchenette. That's what it's called. And it's built in the 50s, but it's been renovated since then. So we got some modern upgrades. But anyway, you walk in the front door. We've got our kitchenette over here on the left. Refrigerator, freezer, coffee maker, microwave, sink. Nice little wet bar action here, right? Cocktail hour. Vanity, bathroom, all the goodies. Double beds, little sitting area with a big screen TV on the wall, and then a patio out to the public beach right there. It's for the bay, so that's Mission Bay right there, and that's all public. People can hang out there. And so yeah, this is where we're hanging out for 2 nights. Beach is looking nice, real nice. And here we are down at the ocean. I think we're at Imperial Beach. I think is what this is called, Imperial Beach, I think. But it's old stomping grounds. We're here very, very often. This whole area down here is Belmont Park. Belmont Park, and then all down there is all the Airbnbs we normally stay at. In fact, the Airbnb we're staying at is down there, I think. But this is what the kids run right here. The toes in the sand. Oh, and can we recognize how cute these two look? Look at that, matching outfits. And then they roped Bryce in with his yellow shirt. I'm the oddball, but the yellow shirts and the overalls were planned. Dinner plans?
Pizza.
Pizza?
To the room.
Pizza to the room.
And then go put our feet in the bay side.
There you go.
You know what I miss? Those houses. Like,
Oh yeah.
every summer.
They're really cool. All right. Tiff and the kids went back to the hotel. I ordered pizza. We're doing pizza tonight. So normally we do Luigi's. Luigi's is around the corner. But I went to the place we do get slices called Zozo's, I think, or Zoe's. So we're gonna try a whole pie from them. Big boy, big boy. Pizza is served. I meant to vlog this, but I was too hungry, sorry. But this pizza is huge. It's like 28 inches, or I don't know, ridiculous, extra large. Then a medium, and we got a white pizza here. Ricotta, basil, garlic. We're watching Shrek on the big screen. Now what? S'mores. They have these little fire pits spread out, about 10 feet, 15 feet apart. And they have these s'mores kits, wood sticks, all the ingredients to make a s'more inside here. One per person, look at that. Bam! Oh yeah. How is it? Perfect? Good morning, guys. Welcome to Monday. We're here at San Diego, day 2. Did a little morning live stream on our patio. Enjoyed that. It was good times. And now we are gonna go rent a bike, one of those like 4-seater tandems. First time. Pretty excited about it. Ready?
I have a smile, but you can't see it.
I know. That's like gonna be the running joke all week. I'm smiling. Look at that guy. That is serious sandcastle work right there. You got the garden hose, the shovels, rakes.
A small kid could actually go in there.
Yeah. All right, so we're off on our first adventure. We got this 4-seater tandem bike. And Bryce, as soon as we get in, his pedal falls off. Like we haven't even left the parking lot. One pedal. He's like, oh, my pedal fell off. So, and they couldn't fix it in timely fashion. So, give us a discount. And one of us just don't have to pedal. So, I drove the first leg. Now I'm letting Sierra drive, show off her driving skills.
I got mine.
And we're all taking turns not pedaling. So, all right, Bryce is behind the wheel now. And everyone's scared. Everyone's freaking out.
I am too.
I am too.
I'm not supposed to say that.
Sierra's getting a free ride.
Yep.
All right, we're back at the resort on private beach here. We got one of these cabanas. We're gonna chill there, but first, the kids are gonna get some paddle boards. Yeah! We'll get some paddle boards. They did it back in Tahoe last year, but the water was really choppy. This water is way calmer than Tahoe, so should be a good time. That way, go that way. That way. You gotta go around the boats. There's a dock over there. You got this. Easy peasy.
What?
Easy peasy. You got this. I told you. Tahoe is way more choppy. They made it. Back to our cabana. And this is where Mom and I are chilling. A little cabana.
Nice.
We need one of these at home.
I know.
Seriously. They make inflatable ones. We saw some inflatable ones on our bike ride. Convenient. Blow them up when you need it, take it down when you don't. You guys enjoying them? Yeah. Yeah? A lot easier than Tahoe?
Yes.
Well, we also were trying to double it up. That was the problem, is people kept falling in because there was 2 of you on there.
Oh, yeah.
Once you guys went solo, you were fine.
This looks like trouble.
Yeah. You put 2 on a paddleboard and it's always a wobble fest. One person makes the other one go in. Question is who goes in. Sierra, I think it's gonna be Sierra because she can't see. Bryce can totally see. The wind's taking him that way.
Mom's going in now, or she's gonna try. Not going in, she's gonna try to ride. Let's see if she falls in. She's scared. Yeah.
She's gonna go into the shore.
She doesn't really know how it works. She doesn't know like how to turn around and stuff.
That board goes right over. Little poolside snack. Sharing 2 sandwiches. We have a burger, bacon burger, and a chicken California chicken sandwich.
That is a perfect burger right there. Look at that. The way it's cut, all the toppings. How's it taste?
Ready? We'll take a bite. First time. 3, 2, 1, go.
Well, we came back to the room. Everyone showered, cleaned up, changed clothes, and we're heading off to dinner. There's a restaurant here on the property that's doing outdoor seating, and they've got a fantastic menu. Pretty excited about it. Lots of seafood, so here we go. Here's everyone's dining outfits. Looking good. Bryce got the long sleeves, fresh shoes. Those are your guys' new shoes, right? Mm-hmm. Both got white. So Bryce got the slip-ons. Sierra's got the lace-ups. Looking good, looking good. And then we got Mom. Dig it. I like the shorts. Very nice. And dinner is served. I got the salmon. Got this unique like broth underneath it. I'm kind of excited about it. I've never seen anything like that before. The kids got the New York strip. It's got potatoes with garlic parmesan on top and a grilled asparagus on the side. Yeah, looks good. And Tiffany got a tri-tip sandwich with fries. Look at that. Oh, got some red wine. You guys happy? Excited? Well, there you go, guys. There's our first vlog from San Diego. Hope you enjoyed it. Thumbs up if you did. Stay tuned for Saturday's vlog. That'll be the second half here at the Airbnb. We're going to be going to the ocean and the beach today. I think about maybe doing some, well, I don't want to spoil it for you. Something else. The kids, something we haven't done in a long time, and a whole new location. So stay tuned. The next vlog is going to be epic. Thanks for watching. Vlog on.